Hi, welcome to this quick video in the 1 minute feature series of workshop software. We show you just one feature of workshop software in 1 minute. What I'm going to show you today is reserve stock. So what I'm going to do is jump into my products and I'm going to go and bring up a product that I've got in my system and just randomly choose this product. You'll notice here that this has got quantity on hand of 5. You've got a quantity reserved of 1, which means that I've got 1 available. Reserve stock means I've got it reserved against a job or an invoice or a transaction already, right? So I've got 5 on the shelf. I've actually put 1 of them onto a vehicle, so I've only got 4 available. So what I can do is if I scroll down the bottom here, you'll see that this has got the product reserved. So it shows you that on this particular invoice, I've got that 1 product reserved. So you can see that it's actually on this invoice. So you can see it there, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and do another invoice very quickly just for a customer, for example, and open a job and put that product onto that job. So if I type in DB10, what you're going to do, put that on. Let's say there was 2 of them on there. I'm going to save this. And if I now go back into the particular product, bring it back up, what you're going to see is that you've got quantity reserved of 3. So there were 5 on the shelf. I've now put 3 onto vehicles. So I've only got 2 available. So when I'm in, for example, invoices and stuff like that, and it says, how many have I got available? It'll only show me 2. So it'll show me the right amount of stock. That's what reserve stock is. That's the 1 minute overview. Thanks for watching.